If YouTube keeps crashing on your TV, it can disrupt your viewing experience, but there are several effective solutions to fix the issue. Start by checking your internet connection. YouTube relies heavily on a stable network, and a weak or inconsistent connection can cause the app to crash. Restarting your TV and router can also resolve temporary glitches affecting performance. Next, ensure the YouTube app is updated to the latest version. Outdated apps often have bugs that lead to crashes, so visit your TV's app store to check for updates. If updating doesn't help, try clearing the app's cache. Go to your TV's settings, find the YouTube app, and select the option to clear cache and data. This removes corrupted files that might be causing instability. If the problem persists, uninstall and reinstall the YouTube app to ensure a fresh installation. Additionally, check for firmware updates for your TV, as outdated software can cause compatibility issues. If none of these steps work, test the app on another device connected to the same network to determine if the issue is specific to your TV or a broader network problem. Let us know in the comments if this guide helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.